Yo boys, I'm Grimmy and I'm back. And yeah, I changed my name. I'm not Wangho anymore. And I know ang tagal ko nawala. It's been a year. Yeah, it's been a year. It's been years actually. But yeah, I'm back baby. And marami nagbago sa akin. Kita niyo naman yung aking hair. Meron na tayong kulay. And I have my own computer. But anyways, how are you guys? Kamusta yung mga buhay nyo? I know, tagal natin hindi nagkita. So, bilang paumanhin, I'm going to teach you guys a really cool trick, a coin trick na probably hindi nyo pa nakikita before. I mean, hopefully, hindi pa nakikita para you can learn it guys. And you can enjoy it. It's a really simple coin trick na hopefully you can do after nyong mapanood to and gawin nyo sa mga friends nyo or sa family nyo. So the first thing na gagawin natin is I'm going to show you guys kung ano yung tsura ng trick, and after that I'm going to teach you how I do it or how it's done. And don't worry guys, dadalian ko lang yung video kasi sobrang init dito sa kwarto ko and ayoko nang kita nyo ba yung pawis? Mga pawis. So without further ado, let's learn it. Alright, so for this trick, all you're gonna need is a coin. Doesn't matter kung anong coin, pero preferably malaki dapat yung coin. So ang gamit ko ngayon is 20 pesos na coin. Yung bigger coin kasi mas makakatulong sa'yo i-perform yung move na gagawin natin mamaya. So I recommend na use a bigger coin. Pero 5 piso would do actually. So yeah, so ito yung tsura niya. So I have a coin here and disappear. So, ayun yung tsura niya, and then, let's learn it. So again, for this trick, all you're gonna need is a big coin. I mean, it doesn't matter naman kung anong coin yung gamit mo, pero recommended is yung malaking coin para mas makatulong sa move na gagawin natin mamaya. So, ganito yung gagawin nyo. Hahawakan nyo lang yung coin na ganito, like this, with your thumb and index. And then, with your left hand, ipapalm up mo. Then, mag-aaka na ihulog mo yung coin. But here's the sneaky part, hindi mo talaga siya ihuhulog sa palm mo, kundi with your pinky, i-extend mo siya, like ganyan. So, when you're here, with your pinky, i-extend mo siya na ganyan, para suluhin yung coin na malalaglag. So, ganito yung tsura niya. Wait. Hindi ko siya magawa ng slow-mo kasi kailangan talaga mabilis yung galaw mo in order for you to catch the coin. Kasi pag ginawa mo siya ng bagal, pwedeng mahulog yung coin at hindi mo siya masalo. So, you need to do it fast. Not too fast, but enough for you to masalo yung coin. So, ayun yung tsura ng move. So, the next part is kung paano natin siya i-cover. So, I'm using my left fingers to cover it up. So, i-place ko yung pinky part ko dito and i-cover siya ng 4 na daliri ko. And then, once I do the move, yung spectator, hindi nila makikita yung move na ginawa ko. So, here, ganito yung tsura niya. Pero, dito sa side, ganito yung tsura niya. Ang hirap. Wait nga lang. Ganun. So, ayun lang yung downside nito. Angle sensitive siya. So, this angle would work. This angle would work. But this angle will not. So, yun lang. Keep in mind lang sa angles. Kasi nga, yun, pwede siyang makita agad ng spectators mo. So, that is pretty much it guys. Ayun na yung buong move. And then, after that, nasa sayo na kung paano mo i-reveal na wala na yung coin and paano mo siya i-reappear. Just be creative with this move. Like, kayo na bahala kung paano nyo papagandahin or kung may i-add pa ba kayo na move sa trick na to. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it. I hope you guys like it and I hope na marami kayo natutunan. And kung hindi nyo pa kaya siyang gawin ngayon, just practice lang and you will make progress. And yeah, again, just be creative with this move. Anyways, kailangan ko nang tapusin yung video kasi tumatagaktak na yung pawis ko. And yeah, again, I hope you guys like it. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. And if may gusto pa kayong matutunan, just comment down below. And by the way, thank you pala sa 285 subscribers. Hindi ko na-expect na abot tayo ng ganun. But we're here, baby. And sobrang lapit na natin sa 300. We will make it. Anyways, thank you guys. And see you next time. Bye.